As we saw in our previous video, when we changed the vertical alignment of text, it affected all of the pages in the document. Now, what we need to do in order to stop this is insert section breaks. As you can see here, we have a page break, which leads us on to the next page. To insert a page break, navigate to the Page Layout tab at the top and then press on the Breaks tab. And then go down to where it says Section Breaks. We want to insert a Next Page section break. Basically what this does is inserts a section break and then the content starts on the next page. Because we've done this, we do not need that page break anymore, so we can delete that out. If we just put the cursor next to it and press delete. You can see here that the break symbol has moved up slightly, so you can press return in order to see that properly. So now we can see we have a section break and the content starts on the next page. In order to check your sections, a really easy way of doing this is to use the headers and footers. If you double click where the footer is, this will show you your footers. You can now see the different footers. As we can see, it says section 1 and then section 2, so we have two different sections now. Now to close your footers, you can navigate to the top and press close header and footer. To change the vertical alignment, we navigate up to the Page Layout tab, click on the small arrow on the right hand side to bring up our page setup menu, and then where it says page, change our vertical alignment to whichever option you want to use. Then we want to make sure we apply it to this section. This is a new option that has appeared. And then we press OK. As you can see here, it's changed the vertical alignment for the rest of the document for that section. Now again, we can see we do not want our chapter title to start at the bottom of the page, so we can follow the process again in order to create another new section. So we navigate to the Page Layout, Breaks, and then insert another Next Page section break. Sometimes this might happen where we had a page break in previously and this has created a new page for us. We can see here we have our section break next page, so we can delete our page break out. And then this just brings our chapter title back to that original page. Now again, if we click in the footers, we can see now that we have a section 3. So we have section 1, section 2, section 3. Vertical alignment, first section in the center, second section at the bottom of the page. Now the third section, we want to make it to the top. So again, navigate to Page Layout, click on the small arrow on Page Setup to bring up our page setup options, change the vertical alignment to the top, and then make sure that we've applied this again to this section and press OK. And we can see here that the vertical alignment has changed to the top of the page.